Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's pre-market plan. It is Tuesday, the 28th of October, and in this short video, I'll be explaining my entry, my bullish over and bearish under levels, as well as some profit targets. Only 3 stocks in this video, which are AMD, Tesla, and Netflix, as these are my daily traders. I have browsed the overall market, but I'm not seeing too many good setups, which I'm classing as A+. But these ones seem to be setting up for a fairly decent little day trade in today's session. So as we always do it, first things first is SPY. But in this video, I have also added long bullish over and bearish under levels as well, because one of the members suggested this, who is Bubba, so I thank you very much, Bubba. So basically, I'm still looking at this double bottom / head and shoulders pattern on the SPY, and we are now testing and have basically closed above this neckline. I mean, it's not a strong close above, but we have technically closed above. So now we are now looking for continuation in today's session, and obviously if the SPY is continuing, the whole market will likely continue as well. So yeah, I have basically just stated I'm bullish over 379.40, which is this dotted line right here, 379.46. Targets above this are 382 and 386. So if we just break this down quickly, they are literally 382 is right here, which is this little consolidation phase. That's the low, right? And then we got 386, which is just above where it's this bearish candle, where this bearish candle opened. One thing I do want to point out on the fibs, on the chart, sorry, is the Fibonacci. So if we go from the swing low to the swing high right now, you can see that we are literally testing this 61.8% fib. And as you may have heard me in previous videos, if we literally just chop below this this fib, it still counts as a bear flag. So breaking over this 61.8% fib is a huge tick for the bulls. I'm just stating that. Now obviously we've got the 50% fib just above, so this could be tested if we do get above, but we do obviously need to see some bullish continuation in today's session, or at least another consolidation candle, possibly within this range here. We do not really want to see this 373.11 break, as that's super bearish in my opinion, and it would probably lead this little bull flag setup, which might be set up here, to obviously just fade away. I've also got a short idea, obviously. So my short idea is I'm bearish under 373.11, this dotted line right here, and I'm looking for 370.50 and 367. So I think that's enough for the SPY. Now let's go into our next idea, which is AMD. Now AMD is still in a very tight range, so I'm not really looking to trade it in this range, but I'm just still watching the stock in case of breakout, because I'm just getting so ready to catch this stock, and I hope you guys are too, because it's going to be crazy. It's going to be such a big move, because we're either going to look to see. So let's have a look. If we break over 360.20, we can either see I mean that's going to be the first target anyway, so the 62.70 level, as it is this recent swing low, and then obviously we can look to fill the gap, or we can look to fill this gap. So there's some remarkable profit to be made on the upside and also on the downside, which I've used by these blue zones. These blue zones are highlighted as weekly volume shelves, and by volume shelves, what I mean is by doing this. So if you look at the volume profile control over here, you can see that there's a lot of volume here, not a lot of volume in the middle. So I'm kind of getting at these levels here to hold, or they are the most likely to hold in the future, as they have fairly good volume in the past. So now, if we break down from here, we've got another 7% drop down to 52.20, or if we break down even further to $50, that is a 10.5% drop, or if we actually go all the way back down to 46, is a 17.5% drop. So, I mean, I just kind of think that AMD is going to consolidate until earnings, or maybe break out to the upside, do a false move, and then just drop for earnings. But you know, we'll tackle that bridge until it comes. So I have also highlighted some bullish over and bearish under levels. So I'm bullish over 58.93, this level right here, 95, sorry. And I would be looking for this top of the range test, which is around $60, and then above that 60.4. Oh, right, sorry guys. Let's amend this real quick. Right, and then I'm bearish under 57.40. Profit targets are 56.70 and 56.30. So 57.40 is this black line right here, this dotted black line, and I'm basically just going to be targeting this bottom of the range, which is around this 56.30 level. Right, so nice and easy for AMD, not too much to suggest. So now let's go on to Tesla. I've stated the $200 level served as a key support yesterday. There wasn't much to comment on other than the fact that we are ranging just like AMD. So as you can see, we're in a range. Looks like the stock market loves ranges right now. The one thing which is quite different for Tesla is the fact that SPY is so up, whereas Tesla's quite near this bottom of the range. So, you know, it's either we see SPY fall and Tesla, you know, go up and catch up with the SPY, if you can visualize that in your head. So what I'm trying to get at is like SPY's up here right now, and Tesla's somewhere here, right? So maybe we might do something like this and find equilibrium in the middle, and possibly get Tesla's beta to close to 1 again, because I believe it's like 1.8 right now or something like that. But anyways, still got bullish and bearish ideas on this one. So I'm bullish over 215.34. Profit targets are on screen, and I'm bearish under 203.80. So these levels are here, 215.54 and 203.80. Alright, nice and simple. Now, keep doing that. Next idea is, or last idea, is Netflix. I do think this one's quite overextended. I think we are in need of a deep pullback fade, I've also stated. So what I mean by that is if we go on a daily, you know, we're still, considering we've already tested, why isn't my MMAs coming on? Oh, here we go. So look, we've literally just tested the 200 SMA, which is a key profit target for most traders, or most likely was a key profit target. So we are literally just now looking for the stock to fade out, and considering this was a tweeted top, I think we might actually start to fade if we do keep heading below, right? I have actually stated that I haven't got no long or short levels, as I'm just going to be simply watching and giving price suggestions in the room. So if you're not in the Discord channel, make sure to join. It's completely free. I comment on stocks daily, all the stocks which I'm watching at least, and also there is a bunch of free content within. So anyways, this is a wrap to the video. I hope you guys learn something, or at least you're going to be following the same stocks as me, because that'd be really cool to see your input. So if you do have any input, make sure to comment in the description below, right? And also like this video if gotta look at that heart, if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe if you are new. Right, take care guys, I'll catch you in tomorrow's pre-market plan.